To turn on or turn off Preload Large videos when using mobile data in Telegram, open Telegram app, tap Telegram to open, and then tap more icon or three-line icon, select settings, and then tap data and storage, and then on automatic media download, select when using mobile data, and then tap videos, and then on Preload Large videos, tap switch until blue to turn on, or tap switch until gray to turn off. Preload the first few seconds when until 2 megabyte of videos larger than 5.5 megabyte for instant playback. Okay, thank you for watching. Have a nice day.